First, when we take it out of the machine, first thing is we cut off the connector just with a diamond burr. You can break it, remove it a little bit. So, do the staining if you want to make a little bit more structure on the outside. Just go over it, make some scratches. Be creative. But it's not necessary. You don't have to do that. So it's just if you want to go with a little bit more of design and structure, because it's all about light breaking on the surface. That's why a little bit of the polishing paste and start to polish the crown. On the sides, you don't need much pressure, just a little bit. It's just a goat hair brush. And we start with. And then you just can switch to the cotton one. And also see how fast and easy it is to make a glaze. Wow. Okay, so we have done the outside, and let's, if we want to do more, so especially with the enamel block, because there we have the option to put some staining inside or colors inside, and that's fine. First, of course, you can sandblast it, or because we don't have a sandblaster here, we take just the diamond burr, also roughen it up a little bit from inside. So, okay. So then you can just place your high-field composite, maybe take an A3 for that case. If you want to do more colors or be a little bit more creative, we can use some opaque white or some blue effect. So that's the most colors I use normally. As you can make it's a little bit of these two, a really nice effect. Okay, so at first we take our brush and take a little bit of the veneer bond and just really a thin layer inside. Okay. Then we light cure. So about 10 seconds. So it's more than enough. Okay, then take a little bit of the blue effect. Put it so more in the incisal part because that makes a little bit of a translucent effect also later. And then I take a little bit of the white opaque. Too much. And just I turn it around so small. Something like this. Okay, light cure again. Of course, you can use also like something like orange on the neck. It depends on which color you want to have. This one we taken A3. Just one. So Also can warm it up a little bit, then it's getting softer, and it's easier to place it. And then like to